Okay, let's dive into the science behind the most colossal creatures to ever exist.
Deep in ancient Peru, bones reveal a prehistoric whale that weighed an earth-shattering 370 tons
That absolutely dwarfs our modern champion, the 190-ton blue whale. It makes it look kinda tiny.
But for pure length, the lion's mane jellyfish stretches a jaw-dropping 36.6 meters.
Then there's the Leedisichthys, a 44-ton prehistoric filter feeder that literally vacuumed the ancient seas. And check out this newly discovered 25-meter reptile that totally ruled the Triassic depths.
So, seeing all these monsters raises a big question. Why do they get so incredibly huge? The secret is deep-sea gigantism. It's basically an evolutionary cheat code for surviving the abyss. Surprisingly, extreme cold, scarce food, and fewer predators down there actually drive this massive growth.
Why? Because a massive body lets you travel way farther for food and survive long famines.
Plus, water supports all that weight, so they don't need heavy, energy-draining skeletons like we do.
But wait, what actually stops an ocean creature from just growing larger and larger forever?
The ultimate boundary is metabolism. Eventually, a giant body literally can't process enough vital energy. Just to meet that limit, a blue whale has to eat 40 million krill every single day.
And they coordinate this feast using a deafening 188 decibel song that travels 600 miles underwater. Crazy!
Now, gigantism isn't just for the deep. Ancient shallow waters bred things like gigantic sea snakes, too.
Which brings us to the legendary Kraken, terrifying centuries of sailors with tales of sheer destruction.
Old myths claimed this beast was strong enough to pull entire warships straight down to the bottom.
But the reality behind the myth? The giant squid, a highly aggressive, 13-meter deep-sea predator. They have massive 27-centimeter eyes, literally the size of dinner plates, perfectly adapted for the pitch black.
Armed with parrot-like beaks and serrated suckers, they fight epic, brutal battles against huge sperm whales.
Unbelievably, they're so elusive we didn't even catch a live adult on camera until 2004.
So, with most of our ocean totally unexplored, what other unimaginable giants are still waiting in the dark?